Hey, if you run a local business or you're thinking about starting a digital service that actually makes money, today's video is going to be seriously valuable for you. Let me ask you something. How often do you check your customer reviews? And more importantly, how fast do you respond to them? Because here's the truth. Reviews are no longer just nice to have. They literally decide whether customers choose you or your competitor. And not just that, reviews now play a huge role in how your business shows up on Google and even in AI-powered search results. That's exactly why today we're talking about something called LocalMator, a tool designed to automate your reviews, boost your reputation, and help you get more visibility without doing complicated SEO work. Now, before you think, oh great, another tool making big promises, stick with me because I'm going to break this down in a simple and honest way. So, what exactly is LocalMator? In simple terms, it's an AI-powered platform that helps you manage your online reviews across more than 30 different platforms, everything from Google to Yelp to Facebook, all in one place. Instead of jumping between apps, missing reviews, or replying late, LocalMator pulls everything into one dashboard and handles the heavy lifting for you. And here's where it gets interesting. It doesn't just collect reviews, it actually analyzes them. The AI reads every single review and tells you whether it's positive, negative, or neutral. But more than that, it highlights patterns, what customers love, what they complain about, and what might be hurting your reputation. Now imagine knowing exactly what's working in your business and what's silently costing you customers. That alone is powerful. But here's the part most people care about: responding to reviews. Let's be real, writing responses takes time. And when you're busy running a business, it's easy to delay or ignore them. LocalMator solves this by generating human-like responses instantly. Whether it's a glowing 5-star review or a negative complaint, you get a ready-to-use reply in seconds. You can edit it, personalize it, and post it right away. And that matters more than you think, because fast, professional responses don't just look good, they actually build trust, improve your reputation, and send strong signals to Google that your business is active and reliable. And those signals, they help you rank higher in the Google Local Pack, the section where most of the clicks happen. Now, here's something a lot of people overlook. LocalMator also lets you analyze your competitors. You can see what their customers are saying, the good and the bad, and use that insight to position your business better. It's like having a shortcut to understanding your market without guessing. And if you're not a business owner, this might be even more exciting for you, because LocalMator isn't just a tool, it can actually be a business opportunity. You can use it to offer local SEO and reputation management services to other businesses. Think about it. Restaurants, clinics, salons, real estate agencies, they all need help managing reviews, and many of them are willing to pay monthly for it. So instead of doing complex SEO, building backlinks, or writing content, you're offering a service that's simple, in demand, and powered by automation. Now, let's be clear, this isn't a magic button. It won't instantly rank a business #1 overnight. But what it does do is simplify one of the most important parts of local SEO, your reputation. And when you combine strong reviews, fast responses, and consistent activity, that's when you start seeing real results. So, if you're someone who owns a local business, wants more visibility in customers, or is looking to start a simple digital service, then LocalMator is definitely something worth checking out. All right, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.